Can Lego construction vehicles build the Sydney Opera House with magical bricks? Let's find out!
AI TV.
Excavator finds a giant Lego mystery box at the Sydney site. What's inside? Sammy says, let's find out!
Woo!
Bulldozer uncovers gold and Lego bricks. And Sammy finds the Opera House plan. This is their biggest build ever. Cement Mixer arrives with a big grin as Sammy carefully scans the golden bricks for their magical strength and sparkle. Crane truck lifts the glowing plan high while Excavator eagerly digs the first strong foundation for the magical Opera House. Road roller glides over golden cement, making it shiny, smooth, and strong. This Opera House will truly sparkle. Dump truck arrives with secret magical Lego crates from the mystery box. Sammy says, these special bricks will bring our build to life. Bulldozer pushes the first golden beams into place.
Woo!
Cement Mixer spins happily and says, our magical Opera House is rising brick by brick. Crane lifts the curved golden roof arches while Excavator steadies them carefully. The magic shapes are coming together perfectly. Excavator says, road roller smooths sparkling rainbow Lego dust while dump truck drops more magical materials. Everything's glowing and magical, road roller says.
Wow!
Crane lifts the glowing golden spire high while Bulldozer clears the way. This tower sparkles like the sun. Bulldozer cheers. Sammy activates a glowing Lego panel and magical lights swirl all around. Cement Mixer giggles, it's like magic. Excavator digs up a Lego time capsule hidden underground. Dump truck wonders, what secrets could it hold? Sammy finds old photos of the real Opera House inside. Road roller says, we're building history together. The whole team gathers around the glowing blueprint. Sammy smiles and says, let's finish this magical build together, team. Oops, Cement Mixer spills glitter everywhere. Bulldozer chuckles, don't worry, we'll clean it up and fix it together. Excavator builds sparkling steps while road roller smooths the path. Sammy cheers. The entrance is shining bright and beautiful. Crane raises the Aussie flag high atop the spire. Sammy smiles proudly. Our magical Opera House is almost complete. Mates! Dump truck brings the last magical pieces to the site. Cement Mixer spins with joy, shouting, we're almost done, let's go team! Bulldozer leads the final push as road roller polishes the golden walkway. Sammy cheers, we're finishing strong, just one more step. Sammy flips the magic switch and the Opera House lights up in golden sparkles. Everyone cheers, we did it, hooray! The Lego Opera House shines bright and magical. Everyone says, it's the most amazing build ever. A magical Lego concert begins. Cement Mixer twirls and road roller hums along. This is the perfect celebration. They sing together with joy. Bulldozer, Excavator, and Dump Truck take a bow as magical lights shine. The Lego crowd cheers loudly. Bravo, amazing builders! Sammy awards shiny gold medals to the whole team. You built the most magical Lego Opera House ever, he says proudly.